Imagine a job site where roaring motors go mute, yet lumber, steel, and concrete surrender faster than ever. In the next few minutes, we'll ride an emotional arc from everyday frustrations to game-changing breakthroughs as 20 cutting-edge Makita gadgets flip every expectation. You'll glimpse the jaw-dropping climax, torque that outmuscles corded gear, right up front, then learn how and why each tool rewrites the rules before a final twist you won't see coming. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 20. Makita GWT01Z40 Volt Max XGT Brushless Impact Wrench Kit. This monster cordless wrench ditches the air hose, yet still hammers out 810 feet-pounds breakaway and 560 feet-pounds fastening torque, making wheel studs, head bolts, and rust-locked hardware cry uncle. 4 electronic speed settings plus 3 auto-stop modes give surgical control, while full speed mode reaches peak revolutions per minute the instant the trigger moves. Makita's brushless XGT motor and extreme protection technology shrug off job site dust, water, and winter cold. You get 2 5-ampere-hour batteries, a rapid charger, a molded case, and a bright LED that keeps wheel wells visible after sunset. Number 19. Makita X CU04PT36 Volt LXT Brushless 16-inch Chainsaw Kit. Gas chainsaw punch, button start ease. The outer rotor brushless motor drives the 16-inch bar to 3,940 feet per minute, slicing hardwood logs without fumes, plug cords, or carb cleans. 2 5-ampere-hour batteries deliver up to 150 cuts in 4x4 seater, a variable trigger and built-in torque boost pour-on power only when needed. Toolless chain tensioning, auto oiler, and an inertia chain brake keep service quick and safe. Load, pull trigger, and unleash silent sawdust. Perfect for storm cleanup, remote builds, or backyard firewood duty. Number 18. Makita XWT18Z18 Volt LXT Brushless Impact Wrench. At just 6'11" inches long, this compact mid-torque powerhouse delivers an impressive 520 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, ideal for tackling strut bolts, lug nuts, and stubborn skid plates. It features 4 speed settings and 2 precision tightening modes to help prevent over-torquing and snapped studs. A detent anvil keeps your sockets locked in place, even on ladder work, while triple LED lights eliminate shadows in tight wheel wells. Makita's XPT technology offers protection against splash and dust. Pair it with a 5-amp-hour battery and conquer an entire shift on a single charge. Number 17. Makita GSR02Z40 Volt Max XGT Brushless Circular Saw. Corded muscle meets cordless freedom in the GSR02Z, a beast that spins a 10 1/4 inch blade at 6,000 revolutions per minute, easily slicing through 4x beams or 3 layers of 3/4 inch plywood in a single pass. It offers a 2 5/8 inch cutting depth at 90 degrees and up to 56 degrees bevel, with positive stops, making it ideal for hip roof rafters. Weighing about 10 pounds with battery, it's built with a magnesium base, guard, and housing for strength without the bulk. Twin LEDs and an electronic brake enhance control, and optional auto-start wireless system auto-activates dust collection with each trigger pull. Number 16. Makita XSL06 PT18 Volt X 2L XT Brushless Sliding Compound Miter Saw Kit. Powered by 2 5-amp-hour batteries, this dual battery beast delivers 36 volts to spin its 10-inch blade at 4,400 revolutions per minute, effortlessly cross-cutting 2 13/16 by 12-inch planks or 6 5/8 inch crown molding nested against a tall fence. Automatic speed change adjusts torque on the fly, chewing through dense hardwoods like oak. A laser guide and zero-clearance slide rails deliver pinpoint precision for finished carpentry. Front-facing bevel lock means no awkward reach-arounds, And the soft start with electric brake adds safety. With a dual-port charger topping both batteries in just 45 minutes, trim crews stay productive and ahead of the game. Number 15. Makita X OB03Z 18V LXT Brushless Finishing Sander. Need cabinet-grade finishes without dragging a hose? The XOB03Z employs a 1/16" orbit and 3 electronic speeds, 4,000, 8,000, 12,000 oscillations per minute, to erase pencil lines or polish primer. Low center battery placement kills flutter, while XPT seals protect bearings from fine dust. One-touch controls sit by your thumb, and the 4.9-pound weight keeps shoulders happy on door jams. Slip in an AWS chip and the vac fires automatically, delivering swirl-free, dust-free panels. Compatible perforated pads stick fast and peel off clean in seconds. Number 14. Makita XTR01Z 18V LXT Brushless Compact Router. Shave edges, carve letters, or flush trim laminate with cordless finesse. Makita's BL motor senses load, spinning 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, so pilot bits don't burn and big OGs don't chatter. Soft start tames kickback, dual LEDs spotlight the bit, and a rack and pinion depth cam dials adjustments in 1/64" steps. Electronic feedback holds speed through hardwood and grain, and XPT weatherproofing laughs at drizzle. At roughly 4 pounds, it perches easily for climb cuts, and the kit accepts standard Porter cable bases and template guides for shop versatility. Number 13. Makita X PK02Z 18V LXT Brushless Planer. From door adjustments to beam surfacing, the XPK02Z makes corded planers feel archaic. Its brushless motor spins to 12,000 revolutions per minute, and automatic speed change pours on torquey when knots appear, shaving up to 1/8 inch per pass over a 3 1/4 inch width. Bluetooth Auto Start wireless system triggers your vac only while planing, keeping the site quiet and clean. 3 V-grooves chamfer edges, an electric brake halts knives fast, and the precision-milled aluminum shoe tracks dead straight for gap-free joints. A chip deflector fence protects freshly planed corners from accidental nicks. Number 12. Makita DRC 200Z 18V 2LXT Brushless Cordless Robotic Vacuum. Let a robot handle the cleanup. This rugged job site sweeper uses dual side brushes to cover an 18 1/16" path, while a brushless motor and 0.66-gallon bin tackle drywall dust, sawdust, and wood chips with ease. Running up to 200 minutes on 2 5-amp-hour batteries, it navigates with obstacle and cliff sensors to avoid studs and stairwells. Choose random or pattern cleaning modes based on the mess. At just 64 decibels, it won't drown out phone calls, and the wireless remote makes emptying simple. It's like a Roomba, built with steel nerves for real construction sites. Number 11. Makita X CV17Z 18V X 2LXT Brushless Backpack Vacuum. Strap on 78 cubic feet per minute of suction and tackle ladder work without the usual cord chaos. Powered by 2 18-volt batteries, the brushless motor runs up to 139 minutes, delivering 44 inches of water lift through a certified high-efficiency particulate air filter that captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Operating at just 67 decibels, it won't drown out job site chatter or the radio. A 1.6-gallon bin pops open with a single clip, while a variable speed dial fine-tunes suction for delicate trim or heavy demo. The lightweight aluminum wand reaches high crown molding with zero hose drag. Number 10. Makita XCU14Z 18V LXT Brushless 6-inch Pruning Saw. Trade loppers for lithium power. The XCU14's high torque, brushless motor, and 6-inch bar zip through limbs, giving up to 140 cuts in 2-inch cedar on one 2-amp-hour pack. A retractable nose guard and tool-free chain tensioning mean you stay safe and productive, while XPT weather sealing shrugs off dew and sawdust. At just over 5 pounds with battery, it balances easily overhead. And the trigger-activated LED lights shaded branch collars so every cut lands clean and flush. Perfect for arborists, orchardists, or backyard heroes. Number 9. Makita DCF 301 Zed 18-volt LXT brushless 13-inch cordless Jobsite fan. Beat the heat without drowning out the crew. This 13-inch fan blasts an impressive 740 cubic feet per minute, yet whispers at only 52 decibel, quiet enough for indoor punch lists. 3 speeds plus 45-degree automatic oscillation flood an entire room, and a single 6 amp-hour battery delivers up to 14 hours on low. The steel hanging hook, tripod threads, and AC adapter input let you place it anywhere from scaffold rails to studio sets. Lightweight, durable, and dead simple, it keeps painters, drywallers, and live streamers cool all day. Number 8. Makita Mac 210Q Quiet Series Oil-Free Air Compressor. Say goodbye to shouting over your compressor. The Mac 210Q runs at just 60 decibel. Quiet enough for indoor jobs and normal conversations. Its 1 horsepower dual piston pump fills the 2-gallon tank to 135 pounds per square inch and pushes 1.6 cubic feet per minute at 90 pounds per square inch. Perfect for trim nailers, pinners, and small sprayers. Spinning at 1750 revolutions per minute, the motor reduces wear for longer life. The oil-free design cuts maintenance, and a sturdy roll cage frame takes job site abuse in stride. Weighing just 44 pounds with a top handle, it's made for mobility. Ideal for attic punch lists or tight space work. Quiet, capable, and seriously tough. Number 7. Makita XRJ 06PT 36-volt LXT Brushless Recipro Saw Kit. Makita's twin battery brute tears through material at 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute with a 1 1/4 inch stroke, chewing up everything from studs to steel exhaust pipe. 2 selectable speed ranges let you finesse, plunge cuts, or go full throttle for demolition. A refined crank mechanism reduces blade deflection and vibration for better control. The LED pre-glow light brightens up tight crawl spaces, and a retractable rafter hook keeps your hands free on ladders. Bundled with 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a rapid optimum charger, it outlasts single battery saws. For cordless demo power without compromise, this is your go-to wrecking tool. Number 6. Makita XG D01Z 36 VLXT Brushless Earth Auger. Say goodbye to fumes and pull start frustration. The XGD01 ditches the gas for cordless power, drilling holes up to 8 inches wide and 41 inches deep with ease. It features 2 electronically controlled speeds, 0 to 350 revolutions per minute for stubborn clay, and 0 to 1400 revolutions per minute for rapid-fire fence post digging. Automatic speed change adds torque when soil gets tough, while a reverse switch frees stuck bits fast. Weighing just 17.9 pounds, it's lighter than gas units, and XPT sealing plus an onboard LED make it trench-ready at dawn. From decks to docks to frozen lakes, this auger digs like a beast. Number 5. Makita XVJ 01Z18 Volt LXT Brushless Barrel Grip Jigsaw. Get tighter control and cleaner curves with the XVJ01 Barrel Grip Jigsaw, designed for scroll saw-like precision. The handle sits low over the shoe, giving you fingertip command, while the brushless motor delivers 800 to 3,500 strokes per minute through a full 1-inch stroke. With 3 orbital settings plus straight mode, it slices hardwood, PVC, or aluminum with ease. Quick, tool-free blade changes, except T-shank styles, keeping the workflow smooth. Dual LEDs and a dust blower make the cut line crystal clear, and AWS ReadyTech can trigger your vacuum. At just 5.5 pounds, it's built for fine cabinetry on the move. Number 4. Makita X AG04Z 18-volt LXT Brushless Grinder. 8,500 revolutions per minute of cord-free grind, wrapped in safety tech. Automatic speed change boosts torque under load, while AFT kills power if the wheel pinches. virtually nixing kickback. The slide switch design includes a lock-on option for long bevel grinds, and a 3 LED battery gauge warns before the sparks stop. At 5.6 pounds with battery, it feels feather light, yet a steel gear housing and labyrinth seals laugh at concrete dust. From tile notches to weld prep, this grinder punches well above 18-volt class. Number 3. Makita XRH 01Z 18-volt LXT Brushless 1-inch rotary hammer. Cordless power meets concrete toughness with the XRH01 rotary hammer, delivering 0 to 950 revolutions per minute, 4,700 blows per minute, and 1.7 feet-pound of slotted drive system plus impact energy. It powers through 3/8-inch anchors all day long. 3 operation modes make it versatile for drilling block, tile, or even steel plate. The brushless motor's smart electronics maximize battery life, while the oversized 2-finger trigger reduces strain, especially during overhead work. A depth stop bar ensures consistent hole depth every time. With runtime that competes with corded 1-inch hammers, this tool thrives on remote sites where silence matters and generators aren't an option. Number 2. Makita EXG H01 ZK 18-volt LXT Brushless Cordless Heat Gun. Go cordless and stay hot on the job. The XGH01 delivers up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit with airflow reaching 7 cubic feet per minute, letting you strip paint, shrink tubing, or thaw frozen locks. No outlet required. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, it's easy to handle, and the lock-on trigger is perfect for long vinyl wraps or shrink-fit work. A quick-release nozzle lets you swap tips barehanded without downtime. With a 6 amp-hour battery, expect about 21 minutes of steady heat, and fresh packs keep you going. Ideal for electricians, auto pros, and techs who work where cords can't reach. Number 1. Makita DCW 180 Z18 Volt X 2 LXT Cordless 20-liter Cooler Warmer. Keep your lunch ice cold and your batteries topped off with Makita's 21-quart Cordless Cooler Warmer. This compressor-style chest cools down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit or heats up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustable via a user-friendly LED panel. Powered by 2 18-volt batteries, it holds 40 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 17 hours on dual 6 amp-hour packs, or run it endlessly via 12 or 24-volt vehicle DC or standard AC. It's built for real-world use with IPX4 water resistance, a built-in USB charger, telescoping handle, and rugged wheels. Say goodbye to melting ice. This portable fridge keeps the job site, campsite, or tailgate fully stocked and refreshed. And that wraps our tour of Makita's latest power-packed innovations. If any tool here revved your imagination, hit like so others find this rundown, share the video with the crew who'd appreciate cordless freedom, and subscribe for more gear deep dives dropping every week. Drop a comment about the tool you'd grab first. And until next time, keep building smarter, faster, stronger.